Thank you guys for the support. Shout out to everyone that's in there. Thank you so much. Hi, Caps. Rushing Wind, thank you so much. Um, Maria Vixky, Lovely Reds, Linlin Telebrico, Princess Carla. Um, JC, Beautiful View, thank you so much, CC. CC, JC Leon, USA, thank you so much. JC Lane on USA. Thank you, Iram, Kai, thank you so much. Mine channel, thank you all so much. Thank you. I'm gonna leave this on for now. I'm going to the store. Thanks for lurking, Caps. It's a little windy here, and clear sky, part of the sky anyway, but it is still gloomy on the other side, covering with clouds, the sun. But we're supposed to have a really nice day coming up for 7 days. Look at that beautiful bird right there, the orange and the black one. That is such amazing, beautiful bird. I can't remember the name of that bird. It's very seldom I see it here, but it's here.